Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey folks, we've got a real Bel Air 1955 Chevy two-door hardtop without the post. And this one's been body off the frame restored. It appears to be a rust-free car, air-conditioned, 350 motor, power steering, power disc brakes. What's kind of cool about this one, the guy I bought it from that's owned it for several years, he does car interiors for a living. It is the softest leather and suede, genuine leather and suede in here. It is so soft. I think it's made out of baby butts. It is so soft. But anyway, go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, look at all the pictures. You will find a price tag on every one of our cars for sale, along with a monthly finance option. And I will tell you, this is at the lower end of the price range for the Tri-5 Chevys I've been selling. That's at volocars.com. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified as the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, as I was just saying, this one's pretty affordable, and it's a very nice car. It is body off the frame. The floors, the braces, the rockers look like pristine metal. I don't know if they were replaced or if they're just outstanding original, but they're really, really nice. And it's all painted the same color as the body. It was restored a while ago, so there's some nicks and chips in the paint underneath, but you can see the metal and really appreciate how clean it is. So the frame itself is also painted turquoise, but it's like a few shades darker, just to give a little contrast. They replaced the body bushings. Everything under the car was redone at the time of restoration. The whole fuel system, the fuel lines, the tank, that was all replaced. The brake system was all redone, upgraded with disc in the front. The e-brake assembly is hooked up. It's got a nice dual exhaust system going all the way out the back. I think the name on the mufflers, it said accelerator. The front end steering suspension, that was all rebuilt. It has an upgraded sway bar. It has gas shocks all the way around, all four corners. You're looking up at the motor. They painted the motor yellow, but it's real clean. Starter looks new. Has a chrome flywheel cover. Turbo 350 automatic is clean. Has a chrome pan. Drive shaft was rebuilt. They put a 10-bolt rear end in the back. It has a chrome cover. So underneath the car is really respectable. The body, let's check that out. It's real nice. First of all, the hood ornament's been removed for a little bit of a unique, cleaner look. This is nice and straight. Fits nice. This is straight. This is all real nice, smooth. Boy, this fits real nice, flush, no bubbles. It all lines up real nice. Yeah, that door fits real good. It's all real nice. There is a scrape in the paint right here. A couple little chips. I'm mostly looking at the body right now, but it is straight. No issues with the body. This is all nice and straight. The roof is straight. This is all real nice and straight. This side of the body looks just as good. No rust, no damage. Door fits real nice. Yeah, no issues with the body. Now the paint, and it's on a lot of 55 Chevys. People slam them and it hits. It did chip the paint around this edge here. It chipped the paint down at the bottom here. There's like a hairline crack in the paint right here. So when you look for them, there are some flaws in the paint, but overall it is a smooth, shiny finish. The paint job is probably at least 20 years old. Like here's a nick right here. What I would do, I would go to a professional body shop and get the color matched, and it's a solid color. It's not metal flake. You can just touch them up, and the car already looks really good, but you can make it look even a little better. Yeah, the paint's all real nice. Few flaws here and there if you look for them. Like there's some chips on the edge here, chip right there. So the chrome. All the chrome is sparkling. There's a mild wear on the bumper. Barely worth mentioning. We'll call it an 8 or a 9 out of 10. And the grill and the bezels, all that is nice and shiny. The stainless moldings are straight, polished like chrome. All this stainless trim is nice and shiny, but there's a small dimple there, and there's a few dimples right here. Windshield looks like it's been replaced. Gasket is replaced. All this stainless trim is very nice. There is some pitting on the chrome frame around the rear window on both sides. The flipper is working good. Here's another little nick. That door shuts nice. If you watch my videos, you know I really like it when a door shuts good. All this stainless is real nice. Couple little dimples, not beat up, but little dimples. Original rear glass. There's some light scratches. All this trim, the bumper, all that's looking real nice. The lenses, moldings are nice. Door handles are real nice. They look like they're 15 by 8 Corvette rally wheels. The steel rim has got some surface rust. You can pop that trim off and scuff it and spray that with rally wheel silver. But the trim itself is real bright. Looks like BF Goodrich tires that are on there. Touring TA tires. So that's the outside. Why don't we stop it? And I'm anxious to show you what's inside. All right, trunk compartment looks nice. Under the trunk lid is good. Looks like there's just some spots. Yeah, those wipe off. So the paint is nice. The bolts are nice. This wire runs up to the license plate frame, has a light. The weather strip is replaced. Nice, clean, solid trunk compartment. Remember, he's an upholstery guy. So look what a nice job he did putting this carpet in and stitching it to fit real nice. He custom made that. I've not seen this before. It's not something you order. Same thing with the tire cover. Now, I do apologize. I think my guys forgot to vacuum this. We'll make sure they do that. And looks like he has some insulation underneath it, too. Some nice sound deadener underneath there. The battery is relocated to the trunk. I see some 6x9 speakers. There is a spare and a complete jack assembly that will all go with the car. Now, is our custom upholstered door panels there. That is genuine suede and leather. Even the metal on the tops of the doors were wrapped in leather. Looks like new window cranks and handles. And at the bottom has the green carpet that matches the carpet on the floor. The dash area is all painted metal. Has digital gauges. The trim is in good shape. The radio he put down here when he built this console, I've ordered the plate that goes right over this. So if you buy the car, make sure that got installed. AC vents are neatly installed. Looks like we have interior light works, got kick panel speakers. Now this is the really nice tight loop carpet. This is like what they use in a Mercedes. And it has the bound edges on the mats and the carpet. It has some billet pedals, has a tilt column. This lever is broken. Honestly, he could have picked a nicer looking steering wheel. I'd probably change the steering wheel, and while you're in there, replace that lever. The center console he made has cup holders. And again, these seats, this is genuine leather, and this is genuine suede in beautiful shape. Got new seat belts. The back is all upholstered. Look at the back of the seat here. He has map pockets. And even the headliner is all suede. The Bel Airs come with these bars, and it's in excellent shape. If you see any discoloring, it's just from people doing this. It's not stained or anything like that. Even the visors are suede. So really nice interior. I would change the steering wheel if I were keeping it. The door jambs were nice. The weather strips are replaced. So it looks like we got a 350 motor. It's got aluminum heads, Edelbrock aluminum intake, Edelbrock carburetor with an electric choke, and then they decorated it with Edelbrock air cleaner and matching valve covers. It's got a Mallory ignition hiding in the back. The exhaust manifolds looks like they have some sort of coating on them. The firewall was redone. It's made smooth and it has all the modern heat and air conditioning system. Aluminum radiator with an overflow bottle. Chrome alternator. We got power steering. We got power brake system. Must have a little bit of a hot cam because here's a vacuum reserve can. And that usually means you have a hot cam in there. Aluminum water pump, and it's painted nicely, nice smooth surfaces, painted nicely. It's got both horns. Oh, trunk's not wanting to shut. So rather than me messing it up, I'll look at that in a second. So there you have it. I think the car is a nice, clean, rust-free car. It checks the list with all the options. A couple little tweaks you could do to make it your own. The steering wheel. Everyone likes rally wheels, but you could even change those up just to get a different look. You can add a little pinstripe. This car is almost kind of like I would say a blank slate, but you could tweak it to how you like it. Meanwhile, it's ready to go right now. Go drive it and enjoy it. So there you have it. That's my impression. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman with your questions. They'll help you finance it. They'll help get it delivered to your driveway at volocars.com. Hope you're enjoying these videos. Subscribe, and then you got to click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when the new videos are posted. Thanks for watching.